Justin. Do you really think it's their favorite restaurant?
No.
Then why do you say nuh-uh?
Guys,
That wasn't me.
I'm so, like, whenever, Justin, is this on camera?
No.
Whenever she's like, yeah, my favorite band's The Fray, and I'm like, I love The Fray.
You hate the phrase.
And she's like, yeah, I'm like naming their songs, I just,
Googling them.
Justin, what?
Cameron, I'm not even videotaping.
It goes along with Killswitch Engage and Metallica and Crown the Empire.
So they're good? So they're good? Babe?
What?
So, like, is The Fray good?
Yeah.
I've never listened to them.
No, they are really good.
What?
Cameron whacks off a lot.
I got him.
What's that?
Guys,
Your cup.
holy shit.
What?
Cameron whacks off a lot.
I got
Is this the first
him. I
one?
got him.
Cameron, I don't know.
My Instagram.
Who's that? Stop playing footsie with me.
Guys, right in the ass.
Follow me.
No, I didn't.
Ow!
I swear I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I had the cup. I gotta fix the cup.
Fuck off.
Guys, stop Snapchatting for once.
I'm not doing anything.
Justin, oh my god. You're Snapchatting too. Okay, she already thinks I'm a loser because I talk about X-Men all the time. She's behind me. And you're talking about Star Wars and X and stuff.
And Star Trek.
Yeah, and you guys behind me in the morning and I don't even know about it. I'm talking about Batman and Bruce Wayne and Spider-Man. You guys are just not even saying anything. I'm looking a fool out of myself.
I can't drink my drink, babe.
I can't wait until Jessica hears about this one. I already got it. I can't wait until Jessica. No way.
What is that, some Illuminati shit?
It's scared out.
I gotta play.
You could understand if you were in my grade. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Wait, don't come here. You're gonna mouth something to the camera. It's gonna be funny. You ever heard the sound you came in like a wrecking ball?
Yes, I love that.
Well, you're gonna mouth. I came in.
You.
Did you see the vine? You didn't see the vine! Stop touching
Are you videotaping me?
Very
No.
touchy-feely person.